Hello everyone! Welcome to my channel. Today we will watch a simple story. The story is about my new pet. Don't worry if you don't understand everything the first time. That's perfectly normal. The key is to relax, listen actively, and enjoy the process. We will use easy words and short sentences. I will speak slowly and clearly. Listen carefully to the words. You can learn new English today. Let's begin the story.
It is a special day. I wake up slowly. The sun is coming up. I feel very happy. The birds sing outside. I hear a sound downstairs. I think it is my mother. I open my bedroom door. I walk down the stairs. I go to the living room. My mother is waiting there. She gives a big smile. I see a large object. It is a big cardboard box. The box is taped shut. I see small air holes on the side. The box makes a soft noise. It sounds like a small squeak. I feel very curious. My mother points to the box. She tells me to open it. I carefully pull the tape. I open the top flap. I look inside the box. I see a furry animal face. The face is round and brown. The eyes are small and dark. It is a capybara. My mother got me a capybara. This is an amazing gift. The capybara is very calm. He is the largest rodent. He climbs out of the box. He walks to me slowly. He is very gentle. I decide on a name for him. His name is Pippi now. Pippi is my new best friend. It is the best birthday gift. The floor is smooth wood. He sniffs the new air. He is exploring the house. I follow him quietly. He goes into the kitchen. I prepare his breakfast. Pippi is an herbivore. He eats only plants. I give him fresh, green grass. I give him some healthy hay. Pippi sits down to eat. He chews his food slowly.
His front teeth are big. His teeth grow always. He needs hard things to chew. I put a small piece of wood down. Pippi chews the hard wood. This keeps his teeth healthy. I fill a large water bowl. Pippi drinks the cold water. He lifts his head to drink. He needs a lot of water. Pippi is a semi-aquatic animal. He must have water nearby. We finish the mealtime. Pippi seems very content. We walk to the backyard. The backyard is very large. It has a beautiful green lawn. The lawn is soft and long. It also has a small blue pond. The pond is Pippi's favorite spot. Pippi sees the water immediately. He runs a little faster now. He goes to the pond edge. He smells the fresh water. He dips his nose in the water. He steps slowly into the water. The water feels very cool. Pippi likes to feel cool. He starts to swim now. He swims very smoothly. He is an excellent swimmer. He can stay under the water. He can hold his breath long. He uses his webbed feet. His body floats easily. Pippi swims in a small circle.
He comes up for air sometimes. Only his eyes and nose show. He is hard to see then. This keeps him safe in nature. I sit by the pond and watch. I throw a small twig into the water. Pippi swims toward the twig. He looks very playful. He does not chase the twig. He enjoys the quiet water. Pippi is a relaxed pet. He stays in the water for a long time. He regulates his body heat here. It is his natural behavior. Pippi gets out of the pond. His fur is wet and dark. He shakes his whole body. Water drops fly everywhere. He walks to a sunny spot. He lies down on the warm grass. He closes his eyes for a rest. I sit next to him quietly. Pippi is very calm always. I gently touch his head. He makes a soft purring sound. This sound means he is happy. He is very affectionate. I brush his thick brown fur. Capybaras like to be groomed. Grooming helps them bond. A butterfly flies nearby. It lands on Pippi's ear. Pippi ignores the butterfly. He is so unbothered. He is friends with all animals. A small ladybug crawls by. Pippi watches the ladybug. He is very observant. He is resting very deeply. I take another picture. This picture is very sweet. Pippi is a patient model. We rest together peacefully. The afternoon is slow and warm. The time with Pippi is nice. He makes a small squealing noise. He seems ready to play. We play a simple game. I hide a small treat for him. The treat is a piece of cucumber. I put it under a towel. Pippi uses his nose to search. He sniffs the ground hard. He finds the cucumber quickly. He eats the snack happily. Pippi is very smart. He is also very trainable. I try a new trick now. I hold a stick up high. I say a simple word. Jump. Pippi looks at the stick. He stands on his back legs. He jumps a little bit. He touches the stick with his nose. I give him a piece of celery. Celery is a healthy treat. He understands my words. We practice the trick again. Pippi learns very fast. Training is fun for both of us. He is focused and attentive. I praise him with kind words. He responds to my gentle voice. Pippi is an amazing friend. The air becomes much cooler. It is time for Pippi's dinner. I prepare his evening food. I give him more fresh hay. I add some specialized pellets. The pellets have good vitamins. He eats the food on the patio. He eats the grasses first. He enjoys his food a lot. After eating, we go inside. I make his sleeping area ready. He has a bed made of soft straw. Straw is warm and comfortable. Pippi walks into his bed. He turns around once. He settles down quickly. He is very tired now. I sit beside his sleeping spot. I pat his back gently. He makes a low, contented sound. It is a good sound to hear. Pippi closes his eyes fully. He falls fast asleep. He looks very peaceful. I look at my new friend. Today was the best birthday. My mother knows me very well. Pippi is the perfect present. I feel so much love for him. I whisper good night to him. I turn off the soft lamp.
I leave the room quietly. I look forward to tomorrow. More fun days with Pippi ahead. This is a wonderful new life. I am so thankful for Pippi. Great job today, everyone! We listened carefully to the fun story about my special birthday and my new pet, Pippi the Capybara. Through this story, we successfully practiced many important and simple English sentences together. We learned common action words, verbs like I wake up, he swims well, and he eats grass. We also learned descriptive words, adjectives, such as very cute, very calm, and a special day. Remember that the capybara is the world's biggest rodent, and it loves to swim. Please keep practicing these easy words and sentences. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel so we can learn more fun English stories together. Goodbye!